So yesterday I showed you guys how Home Depot has the Rumblestone bricks for 50 cents. And so we went to Lowe's and got a fire pit for $31, regularly priced $125. I think because it had a little bend right here, they marked it down and we kind of popped it out a little bit. We're gonna pop it more out at home, but other than that, it's perfect for what we need for our fire pit. So 50 cents for these large Stone Cafe Rumblestones, and then I found these on the other side for 90 cents for the brick Rumblestone. And so we're actually building it right at the location. We put it in already and it looks great, so we're just gonna go 3 high. Yeah, just one more layer.
Level too.
It is, I know. So it took a total of 41 of the, forgot what they're called, bricks. And I think we did 12 of the small ones. Okay, I'm back because I had to think of the name. Look it up again. Rumblestone. Rumblestone Cafe. Rumblestone Cafe. And then the little mini piece, Rumblestone Cafe Mini. And this project was what, 60 bucks?
Yeah.
60 bucks. Clearance. I tell you, we were like the clearance house. $30, $32 for the fire ring and the bricks and the lava rock right back there. Another 30. Did the leveling, made sure it was level. It's gonna be so great.
That's your fire pit. That's your fire pit.
Wow, this looks great.
We did it. I'm really debating should I go one more high.
Really?
Yeah, what do you think?
I mean,
It may be too high then. Because you won't get air in there too.
that too, and like right now where you're sitting is like right perfect for you to get all the heat. Overall, we decided to go with another layer because at 3 high, it was measuring up to 9.5 inches tall.
We wanted 12 to 14.
Right, which is the recommended. And I'm going to lay the last brick right now. And this layer, each layer was like about $11 a piece on the sale that I showed you guys. Ring in. All done.
Once I get real hot down there and stuff, it'll be real warm.
Oh yeah, because then the lava rocks will just, like, they'll be heated. It'll retain that heat. I'm so happy with the way this came out. Really, I am.
Really came out nice.
Look at us, little professionals. Okay.
Not bad for 70 bucks.
Not bad at all.